Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the OBC on Bike channel with yours truly. Today we're going to discuss tubeless tire maintenance. Yes, tubeless tire maintenance. I'm going to tell you what you need. You need some sealant, tire lever, and what they don't tell you is valve cores. And we're going to take the valve core off. Trusty tool by Envy. And let's try to take this valve core off, like so. Now what you're going to see is it's all clogged up. Can't get air through there. It'll be sealed up, but if you need air, you won't be able to get any air because it's all clogged up. That's why you need a new valve core. Anyway, let's proceed to the next step. Okay, let's break this right here. A little seal. And you just need a little bit. Of course, inspect your tire before you do this. Make sure you don't need a new tire. Make sure your tire is good, in good condition. In my case, I can't put any sealant through the valve because it'll seal it up, thanks to silica. But the stuff works wonders. So let's shake this up. Need about 2 ounces of this stuff. That should be more than enough. The rest of this tire is sealed, so we're going to do this so it doesn't spill much. And we're going to move this like so and get all this liquid to the bottom where the rest of the tire is sealed. Pop this tire back on like so. Get your pump. That's the sound you want to hear. You want to hear that popping. After you hear that popping, get it to the desired PSI that you want. If you found this information to your benefit, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.